Hello, in this video I will show you how to install Microsoft Edge browser on Ulefone Armor X7 Pro. So you have to start with opening your Google Play Store and now click on search bar and type in Edge and click search and then click install. Now you can click open. And here you can set your browser as your default browser, or you can click not now. Now you can sign in to sync your data, or you can click not now. Here you have to confirm your data and privacy settings. And your Microsoft Edge is now installed and ready to use, so that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.